Article 3 Bill of Rights, Section 1. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the law. The right of the people to be secure in their person, houses, paper, and effects against unreasonable search and seizures of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under under oath of affirmation of the complainant and the witness. He may produce and particularly describing the piece of the search, search, search and the person or things to be seized. Section 3. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order order of the court, or when public safety or order requires otherwise as prescribed by law. Section 4. No law, no law, no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, of expression, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to be assembled and petition the government for redress of grievance. No law shall be Section 5. No law shall be made respecting an establishment of religion, or the prohibiting the free exercise thereof, the free exercise, enjoyment, the relig- religious profession of worship without discrimination or preference shall forever be allowed, nor they shall be required for the exercise civil of the political rights. Section 6. The liberty of both the changing the same within the limits prescribed by the law shall not be impaired except upon lawful order of the court. Neither shall be the right travel of impaired except in the interest of national security, public safety, or public health as may provided by law. Section 7. The right of the people to information on matters of the public concern shall be recognized. Access to official records and to documents and papers pertaining to official acts, transactions, or decisions, and will as to government research data use the basis 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 for policy development shall be afforded by the citizens subject to such limitation as may be provided by law. Section 8. The right of the people, including those employed in the public and private sectors, to form unions, associations, and societies for purpose not contrary to law shall not be abridged. Section 9. Private property shall not be taken for public use without just com- compensation. Compensation. Section 10. No law impairing the obligation of contracts shall be passed. Section 11. Free access to courts and quasi-judicial bodies and adequate legal assistance shall not be denied to any person the reason of poverty. Section 12. In any person under the investigation for commission taas kini dire of an offense shall have the right to be informed of this right, to remain silent, and to have competent and independent counsel, probably of his own choice. If the person cannot afford the service of the counsel, it must be provided within one. The rights cannot be waived except in writing and the presence of counsel. Section 12, Section 13. All persons except those charged with offense punishable by reclusions perpetua when evidence of guilt is strong shall before conviction and be bailable by sufficient sureties or be released on cognizance as may be provided by law. Provided by law. Limit pa. Section 14. No person shall be held to answer for a criminal offense without due process of law. 15. The privilege of the right of habeas corpus shall not be suspended except in cases of invasion of rebellions when the public safety requires it. 16. All persons shall have the right to a speedy deposition of their cases before all judicial, quasi-judicial, or administrative bodies. 17. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. 18. No person shall be detained solely by reason of the political beliefs and aspirations. 19. Excessive fines shall be not imposed, no cruel, degrading, or inhuman punishment inflicted, neither shall death penalty be imposed unless for compelling means reasons involving heinous crimes. The Congress therefore provides for it. Any death penalty already imposed shall be reduced for reclusion perpetua. 20. No person shall be in prison for debt of non-payment of all poll tax. 21. No person shall be twice by fault of jeopardy of punishment for the same offense. If an act of punishment by a law and ordinance, conviction, or the acquittal either under either shall constitute a bar to another prosecution of the same act. 22. No ex post facto law or bail of attainder shall be enacted.